Welcome to the Plus Addon tutorials. Today we're gonna demonstrate gallery background, which is the part of row background widget of the Plus Addons. You can check out row background's main video from our channel, which have all the things explained in detail. This is the three layer architecture: deep layer, middle layer, and top layer. Gallery background is in the deep layer. There are several other options as well, but for the gallery background you need to select creative background gallery. You can see it here. You have all the options available. You can select the multiple images from this option. You can upload and select the multiple images. Then you have the transition effects. There are up to 13 effects which can be used in the background. You have the transition duration. That means the transition will take place during this amount of time. If you decrease it, it will be a faster to get a transition. And the slide delay is when slide will change from first to second. For example, to make it faster, we can do something like this. It's a transition duration and then this is a slide delay time. You can manage both these effects as per the selection of your transition effects. Then there is the another option of the text overlay. Currently we have put the text overlay from the top layer. Let's turn it off and go back to our creative background image gallery section. From there you can select the texture overlay. There are total 9 styles you can select from. There are different kind of textures available to choose from. There are several variations. Especially there are nice transition effects, zoom in, zoom out, and with the combination of the transition duration and slide delay time, you can generate many other options. And you also have the options for the middle layer and the top layer above the image gallery. If you have any other questions, write us on the comment box below. Hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial on gallery background, and do check all the related links in the description below. Thanks for watching and keep crafting amazing websites. See you in the next video.